Hello, my friends. I'd like to do two things today. First, I will introduce you to my newest journal kit right here, and it's called French Botanical. This kit, as the name suggests, is made up of antique French advertising and typography mixed with beautiful vintage florals. It has 24 pages that are all printable, and all have been carefully designed in order that these papers in the journal can be used in many, many ways. Second, I will be announcing my March giveaway, so stay tuned for that. My name is Laura, and I am from the Queen of Mirth. I'm also deeply grateful to be doing what I love. So let's get started. I've printed out the journal kit, French Botanical, and I just thought I would show you basically what it is comprised of. And then in my next video, I will put it together. So I haven't cut anything out, but what I have done is I have printed both sides of the pages, because then, I don't know, I like it a lot better. There'll be, the back sides of all of the pages will be printed with different papers. Now, so we have that, and we have, I'll just quickly go through them. So just so you can see, I don't know how to, there, let's do it this way. So hopefully you can see them quite clearly, and see each one of these is 2 pages, or makes 4 actually, because when we actually fold it and put it together, each page will be 4 pages, and they will each measure 5 inches by 8 inches. Right now this is 10 inches and 8 inches, so that's how it works. And here's a lined page. The other side of this one is like this, and then this is a uniquely shaped page, so you just cut that out and fold it over, and it makes a very unique page for visual interest in your journal. And I like to have it in the middle so that I can see both sides, but it's certainly not necessary to do that. I think everybody should put them together the way they want to, so everybody's will be a little bit different. In fact, I never do it the same way twice anyway. So this is, and this will be a short page. Like, I will actually cut it along here and here, so it'll give some variety as well. So those are the basic pages. This is the cover, which you don't need to use if you don't want to, or if you do use it, that's good. It's slightly bigger than the pages, so the inner pages don't hang out. I like that. And if you don't like, if you want to have it as a cover, you can always collage something else on here if you have something that you would prefer. Now these and this is done on cardstock, and these are done on copy paper. Sometimes I use the very best quality, but this time I used regular copy paper. It turned out beautifully. That's all I can say. These ones that I'm going to show you now, they're just 3 pages, I think. They're all done on cardstock, which the cover is on cardstock because it needs to be a little bit tougher than the pages. And then, let's see here. This is these are journaling cards, and this is the opposite side. The journaling cards here are just to cut out. They're 4 inches by 6 inches, which is my favorite size for a journaling card in these kind of journals, because there's room to write stuff. Yeah, and there are different ways to put them together too. Like, it's nice to write on this side, and then on this side you can even put a little pocket on it or something. Very cool. So, oh, and the tags too. The tags are also on cardstock. And I put this paper again on the back of the tags, but you could put whatever paper you like on the back. Now, these are slant corner pockets and some ephemera. This is kind of interesting. Somebody spilled some water. I had this on the table, and someone spilled some water on it, and the colors kind of ran together. And they did the same in the back, but I used it anyway. That was before I had printed the back. So I printed the back anyway because I don't like to throw things out, and I think that in junk journals, it's all very interesting to have stuff like that. It's kind of adds to it, in my opinion. Okay, here we have some flags, tickets, and ephemera pieces. And this kind of ephemera, I often just cut it out and use it as a pocket on a page. It's on the other side, okay. And because the other side is like this, however, you could also cut that out and use it as a journaling card and write something on here. Okay, these are pockets and little cards that fit in them. This is obviously this is an envelope. These are 2 more slant corner pockets. This is 2 envelopes. Yeah. So that is those are the basic pages of the French Botanical Journal, and I'm going to enjoy myself putting it together. The first thing I'm going to do is cut the margins off of the pages and put the pages together in some kind of order that I like, and I'll also add some junk mail type pages, whatever I think of or find around. I'll put that in maybe some musical sheet or something as a paper, and it will all be for the good. So in my next video, if you want, you can have a look at how I'm putting it together, or whether I have done the whole thing. I'm not sure if I'll do most of it and then part in the video, or I'll just do it and then show you the whole thing done. We'll see. Now, the next thing that I needed to talk to you about today is my March giveaway. Every month I have a giveaway. This is the month of March, so we got to get going on it because we're almost at the middle of the month. And the prize for the giveaway is anything you want that's in my Etsy store. The Queen of Mirth Etsy store has over 400 items, all designed by me, and there should be something for pretty much everybody in there. You know, many journaling kits, many books of tags, many ephemera kits, different things like that. So do take a look. The URL, the web address for it, is in the box down below, in the description box. And, you know, take a look, see if there's something you would like, and enter the giveaway. I am so happy whenever I can make a gift of one of my offerings, and I hope that you would find something for yourself that is there. All you have to do, now that's what you would get. Now what you have to do in order to get it is you simply have to subscribe to my channel, like this video or another video subsequent to this but still in March, and make a comment using the word giveaway. The word giveaway has to appear in a comment made by you, and it can be in any way you like it. It can just be the word giveaway, or you can fit giveaway into a sentence, which is kind of fun sometimes. or you can simply say something like, I would like to be entered in the giveaway. Just as long as you use that word, you will be entered. And I expect to have the draw for it on the 1st of April. Now that's April Fool's Day, but this is not a joke. So thank you so much for watching this. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you in my next video, or I hope you'll see me in my next video. And do take good care of yourselves. Thank you so much. Bye.